Everybody, my name is Kyle Kalk, and welcome to my Week 3 video review for AOC2 1401. I'm just going to quickly, once again, show my project running on my iPad. As you can see, we'll bring it up, and there you go, it's running. I can't really see it here, but I'll go to the Add event, and as you can see, everything pops up. Once again, I'm going to demo it more so on the simulator just because it's easier to manage and I don't have to try and type upside down or anything like that. So I'm going to now switch over to the simulator and I'll demo the app. So here we are in the simulator. For this week we were tasked to create a simple date planner that would allow a user to input a certain event and the date it's going to take place, and then it would display on our main view, as you can see here. Right now it's empty because I don't have anything saved. But this week, again, there wasn't a whole lot I could have done better, I don't think. My first project, I actually had an XIB file with the storyboard, and when I submitted it for review, Miss Korn told me that it should be one or the other, just because of the fact that if we had to debug or anything like that, it can get a little bit tedious, and especially when you have a bigger application than this, to try and find which part it's actually in, whether it be the storyboard or the XIB file. But other than that, it was a pretty smooth sailing week. I felt it went well. It went by very well, and overall I'm quite happy with my project. So here I will quickly demo the application. We'll go down, click Add Event. You see it will pop up. If I try and go back, I don't allow it. It'll swing right back to today's date. So let's try and enter a date. We'll say test 1. And if I click the close keyboard, as you can see at the bottom, the keyboard disappears. So let's save the event. And here you go. It says new event, test 1, January 22nd, 2014. So now, if we go back down here, I'll add another event. Let's set this one to a week from now at roughly the same time. And we'll go project 4 test. We'll save the event, and sure enough, there it is, right there in our view, in the text view. Project 4 test, January 29th, 2014. And that is it for the simulator, so I'll get into the code here. There wasn't too much going on. I'll show the storyboards here, if it'll load up for me. It's certainly taken its sweet time today, but as you can see here, we'll try and zoom out a little bit so you can see both storyboards. So here are the two storyboards, main page and the second one. I actually set my background color inside of the code. I can do it in the storyboard, but it's, for me, just now a force of habit to just set it inside the view did load. So for me, it's just easier that way. As you can see here, it's very simple code, really. I have my delegate, and then I have a prepare for segue, which will call my delegate. And in my event view, again, nothing overly abundant. It's pretty simple code, nothing extravagant or anything like that. I just have in here my minimum date I have set. I also have, here's the delegate. It gets the date and formats it for me. And then I have down here the string it's going to return. And this actually took a little bit of tinkering and figuring out, but in my event info I actually have two different variables that come in. The current info that's already in there, and then what's returned from the delegate. And other than that, it was a pretty good week, solid. I thought I did well, and I look forward to week 4. I hope everyone had a great week, and thank you for watching my video.